Hi everyone, welcome to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm back with another tutorial on how to download Gemini wallet application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's jump right into the video. To download Gemini wallet application on your iPhone, first make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data and tap Open App Store soon after you are. Once you open up your App Store, go to the search button at the bottom right hand corner and tap it on. In the search bar appearing on the next page, tap on the search bar and type in Gemini and search. On the next page, you'll be able to see this application displayed that says Gemini buy Bitcoin and crypto. Tap the download button in order to begin the downloading process for your application. The downloading process will take a while depending upon your internet speed, so always be sure to be connected to a strong and a stable internet. With your Gemini wallet, you can securely buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, and so much more. Once the application gets downloaded and is ready for use, you'll be able to see an open button popping up right beneath or right beside the app. Tap it on to launch the app open, and that means you have successfully downloaded Gemini wallet application for your iPhone. Go ahead and enter your credentials that is associated with the account and tap the login button at the bottom to get started with Gemini. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.